This video will show you how to enter data and find your basic statistics. So first I've got data here that gives me a score, maybe a score on a test, and the frequency of those scores. So we're going to go to our stat function key. We need to enter our data, so we're going to choose number 1 to edit. I already have values in L1 and L2. It's important that I clear all those values, so I'm going to cursor up to the name of L1. And I'm not going to hit delete because that will clear and delete the entire list. Instead, I'm going to hit clear and enter, and I still have that remaining list name of L1. Cursoring over, cursoring up to L1, the name again, clear and enter, and it clears the data from the list. I don't want to delete the list because L1 would have disappeared. And my calculator always resorts to L1 to do statistical calculations. So in L1, I always put my X value, in this case, my score, my variable. So I'm going to put 82, enter, 85, 90, 92, and 98. In L2, I always put my frequency. In my frequency, I've got to correlate. 82 was 3, 85, 7, 90 was 14, 92 was 12, and 98 was 2. Now that I have my data in my list, I'll second quit. And the first thing I want to do then is go to my stat menu. I want to cursor over to calculate, and of course this is just a one variable stats, so I'm going to choose number 1, and it's telling me, okay, your calculator is set up in L1. Notice that the frequency list is left blank. Those of you who have the older operating system, yours is going to say one variable stats L1, or just one variable stats. It will assume that there's no frequency list available even though you put those numbers in. So those of you who have that operating system have to enter second L1. That's second one for the L1. Then you'll enter a comma. Those of you who have an operating system like myself, frequency list, well, that's in L2. All of us will do second, number 2, or L2. Once you have that in, then you with the other operating system will just hit enter. Those of us with this one has to cursor to calculate and hit enter. And it's going to come back and it's going to give us all of our statistics. X bar, of course, is our mean. The sum of the x's, the sum of x squared. This is the sample standard deviation. This would be the population standard deviation. N is the number of pieces of data. Cursoring down, I have my minimum. I have my quartile 1, median, which of course is the same as quartile 2, quartile 3, and my maximum.